Hi, this is me, Karan Johar. You're watching me on Asian Paints, where the heart is. Welcome to my home. This particular house, we wanted beiges and some blues to kind of break the greens and beiges. And I said the house should look like it's different textures, but it should all look like it's blending into one. Let's start at the heart. This is like in the heart of the home, really, the living area. When you sit here and you stare outside, you stare a lot into calmness, coolness, tranquility, and a little bit of a nature's kind of vibe into your, otherwise, we live in a concrete jungle, right? Okay, this is the only element of blue in the house is this couch. Really comfortable, it's wonderful. I fell off to sleep here a couple of times. So I associate this with like comfort. This is a very critical place. This one has the best energy. I slept well. This bed is gorgeous. So here there's an element of black and white on the walls. It's like a black shading on a cream beige kind of a backdrop. Pretty much is an extension of the marble, that is in the passage of the house. Like there's a story that runs right through the house. This is the culmination of that story. This is what I call my HMU room. There's a beautiful onyx table here that I absolutely love. So I love onyx. I love it. I love it as a texture. And this has a beautifully lit mirror where it's conducive to doing makeup. And it has this very vintage looking makeup chair that you would find in old Hollywood. My approach to any aesthetic is that it should be pleasing to the naked eye. That when you walk in, you're not jarred by it. I love the palettes that are easy and calm. For homes, I like monochromatic tones. I love combining beiges and blues and greens and woods and marbles. And I love that contemporary approach to interiors. Very modern, very contemporary, very cool and calming to the eye. So if you're inspired by my home's decor, please go to beautifulhomes.com by Asian Paints for a stunning style guide.